Welcome to the USDA National Clonal Germplasm Repository in Corvallis, Oregon. I am Kim Hummer, the research leader and curator of this gene bank. In our gene bank, we have living plant collections of temperate fruits, hazelnut, hop, and mints, and their crop wild relatives. Today, I'd like to focus on our mint collection. We are now standing in a commercial field of peppermint in the Willamette Valley of Oregon. The Pacific Northwest produces about 90% of the peppermint grown in the United States for oil, rootstock, and dried leaves. Peppermint oil is used to flavor chewing gum, toothpaste, mouthwashes, pharmaceuticals, and confectionery products. Mentha, or mints, include about 18 wild species and 12 species hybrids. The center of diversity of the species includes Europe, North America, and Australia. Many species were introduced around the globe and have now become naturalized. These fragrant plants have been selected throughout millennia for use by humans for herbs, spices, and nutraceuticals. Multiple species of mint have been used by humanity since prehistory. Dioscorides, an ancient Greek doctor who wrote De Materia Medica, one of the first herbals, included many mint species in his collection of plants. The monastery gardens that developed afterwards used Dioscorides herbs, and mint is a common plant in their gardens. Single-family kitchen gardens adopted the mint in their collections as well. Considering the commercial production for menthol and essential oil extraction, mints represent a significant global economic commodity. Part of this is due to the process of distillation. This is a process that separates components or substances from a liquid mixture using selective boiling and condensation. The Japanese were some of the first people to use this process. About 2,000 years ago, the Japanese began distilling menthol from Mentha arvensis. In the early 1700s, the English came and visited Japan and brought back this procedure with them. So in about 1750, essential oil extraction became very important in England. Now, extraction of oils is an important industrial product for the US, China, India, and other countries. In 2018, the farm gate value of mint was worth about $150 million US on an annual basis. The National Clonal Germplasm Repository in Corvallis conserves about 450 clones representing 30 species and species hybrids of mint. In addition, we have advanced breeder selections and named cultivars. The main collection is preserved in containers under protected environments in greenhouses and shade structures. You can see some of the diversity of the plants over to the right. The NCGR mints have been evaluated for cytology, oil components, verticillium wilt resistance, and key morphological characters. Pressed voucher specimens have been prepared for morphological identity verification. And microsatellite markers of DNA have been developed to determine clonal identity. At NCGR, we preserve the primary collection of plants as containerized plants growing in a greenhouse. But we are working with the National Center of Genetic Resource Preservation in Fort Collins, Colorado, to determine alternative conservation techniques, such as tissue culture and cryopreservation of meristems.